Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Burgos from the hashtag Walk with Lan channel. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it so now so that you can be a part of this growing family. Officially, we are now 7,906 subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Okay, yeah, 7,906 subscribers. Thank you so much. Ang pag-usapan po natin ngayon ay yung kay Teves, no? Yan, si Teves po ay dating congressman, dati pong congressman yan si Teves at sa Negros Oriental at ano po yan, no? Talagang anong tawag dito? Nandiyan po yan sa Timor Leste at ano po yan, no? Yari, nawala tuloy. Yari ito, no? Kasi marami pong naghihintay sa kanya, no? Marami pong naghihintay kay Teves. Papunta na po yan dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? See you in court. Sabi nga, no? Kasi po, marami nga po naghihintay sa kanya. Eh, syempre, may mga ano pa, naghihintay sa kanya na alam nyo na, no? Kaya, mahirap yan, no? Okay, so mahirap po yan, no? So, ayan. So, sabi ng DOJ, si Arnie Teves daw ay pwedeng bumalik na, no? Makabalik na dito sa bansang Pilipinas sa end of July. Nako po, expelled Negros Oriental, no? Congressman ito, no? Si Arnulfo Teves Jr., no? Talagang ini-expect ng DOJ or Department of Justice na mai-extradite ito sa lalong madaling panahon, end of July, despite his plan to appeal before the Timor-Leste courts, no? Yan, may mga ano pa yan, Court of Appeals, tapos na yata sa Court of Appeals, meron pang Supreme Court yan, no? Ayan ang pagkakasabi ng Department of Justice, ngayong araw na ito, no? So, according to the spokesperson of the Department of Justice na pinapangunahan ni Justice Remulla, Secretary Remulla rather, na si Miko Clavano, no? Talagang si Teves Camp ay may 30 araw, no? 30 days to contest the decision of the Court of Appeals of Timor-Leste. Okay? So if they exhaust the 30 days, which we anticipate they will do, then it will be after the filing, we will see kung ano magiging desisyon ng Timor-Leste Court of Appeals, the decision of the Court of Appeals, no? So we believe meron pang Supreme Court yan, no? So around last week of July, makikita na natin si Ginoong Teves dito sa Pilipinas, no? Baka hindi lang, baka Agosto pa ito kung talagang i-exhaust ng kampo ni dating expelled, no? The Negros Oriental Congressman Teves ay talagang baka hanggang Agosto pa ito. Pero ang paniwala ng Department of Justice na sinabi ng kanilang spokesperson na si Clavano ay baka hanggang July, no? Ako, Mr. Clavano, ang tingin ko diyan baka hanggang August. No? Pero syempre, tignan natin, no? Sabi pa rin ni Clavano na ang gobyerno ng Pilipinas ay talagang nakapag-secure ng victory dito sa extradition case nila kay dating expelled Congressman Arnulfo Teves Jr., no? Talagang yung arguments ng mga Teves dito ay unfounded, particularly yung assertion niya na talagang that he would face the supposed death penalty in the Philippines and that the country has unfavorable human rights condition. Nakakatawa nga itong accusation ni dating expelled Congressman Arnulfo Teves Jr. dahil wala naman pong death penalty dito sa Pilipinas unless otherwise ma-execute siya ng alam nyo na, no? Sabi nga, tama, no? Sabi nga ni Clavano, we do not have a death penalty here in the Philippines. Napaka din, no? We also have had certain reforms and efforts in human rights, protection of human rights. Kaya nga talagang napaka-unfounded talaga yung accusation ni Arnulfo Teves Jr. Naniniwala, no? Talagang he believed that the court would affirm its decision once the motion for reconsideration is filed by Teves Camp. Yari na, no? So I think it is high time that they face the cases, not hindi lang cases of multiple murders here in the Philippines, no? Dapat lang naman Bakit magtatago ka? Takot na takot ka ba, Sir Arnulfo Teves? Ang legal counsel ni Arnulfo Teves ay si Ferdinand Tofacio, sikat na sikat, no? Siya earlier said that the extradition decision is still appealable. Tama naman. And a recourse that we intend to take. Tama din naman siya. Then we still have an option of political asylum. Talagang ginagawa ng ng the best nila, no? Lahat ng paraan upang hindi makabalik dito si Arnulfo Teves Jr., no? O biruin mo naman si Arnulfo Teves Jr., na dating congressman, ngayon ay expelled, no? Ay talagang humaharap, no, sa 10 counts of murder, 12 counts of frustrated murder, and 4 counts of attempted murder before the Manila Regional Trial Court, Branch 51, in connection with the March 4, 2023 shootings in Pamplona, Negros Oriental. I believe, una mo nang final ito sa Negros Oriental kasi doon nangyari ang krimen. Ngunit ito ay transfer siguro dito sa Manila Regional Trial Court, kaya ang Branch 51 siya ang humahawak nito. Ito si Teves, he lumipad, no, papuntang Dili and applied for political asylum. In March, he was arrested at a golf driving range. Social, no? Tapos early this month, he was released from Decora prison but was rearrested and transferred to the Policia Nacional of Timor-Leste. Nakakatakot yan. In August last year, the Anti-Terrorism Council designated Teves and his younger brother, former Negros Oriental Governor Pride Henry Teves, as terrorists. Terrorista allegedly over their alleged involvement in several murder incidents and harassment in the province in the past years when they were still in public office. Bakit ngayon lang natuklasan ito? Bakit hindi noong mga nakaraang panahon? Yari na ang mga Teves sa pinapangunguna ni Arnulfo Teves. Now, si Pride Henry na dating gobernador ay likewise ay naaresto sa barangay Taclobo, Dumaguete City last June 20 over his alleged involvement in terrorism activities. Nakalaya lang ito nang magpiyansa siya. He posted bail of 600,000 pesos. Nakakatakot, no? Kung wala kang perang ganito, saan ka pupulutin? Kung wala kang pang abogado, saan ka pupulutin? Kung wala kang pang maintenance dyan sa Timor-Leste, saan ka pupulutin? Kaya nga naman, maging good citizen tayo, masunurin sa batas, at kailangan hindi tayo nangaapi ng ating kapwa at hindi tayo nanglalamang ng kapwa natin. O hanggat maaari ay tama ang ginagawa natin sa ating mga trabaho. O sige po, hanggang dito na lang po mga kaibigan ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. God bless you all.